Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel, and today we are diving into how to download Google Photos on Android and on PC or desktop. So without any delay, let's get started. For Android, it's already downloaded, but if you don't have that application, you can go to the Play Store and search for Google Photos and install it from the Play Store. And the next step what you can do is go to the Chrome and here search for Google Photos. At the top right corner, tap on these three dots and here tap on Add to Home Screen. Tap on Add Create Shortcuts. So this will install or create shortcut for Google Photos on your home screen or desktop. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.